Hey everyone, this is part 2 of the exponential regressions video. And so I just wanted to show you guys how you type in the data and how you find the exponential regression. So first off, you're going to click this button right here, Stat. And what that is going to do is that's going to take you to this menu. We then want to click Edit right here. And the way you do that is you just press the Enter button. And so when you click enter, it looks like this. And you notice here, I have typed in all the data points from problem number 1 right here. And so we can go ahead and do the exponential regression. Notice that the data points that we in both lists are the same length. If you have a list that's too long or something left over from a previous one, you can select the entry and just press delete. So I just clicked this button right here. Notice how now they're not matching. We need those to end up in the same place. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and type in 10 and then press enter, and now all my data points are put in there. So what we're going to do is we're then going to click stat again right here. So click stat, and then we're going to go over to calculate. The way we do that is we press the right arrow. So when you press the right arrow, it takes you to a bunch of different things that you can calculate. And we're going to go down to look for exponential regression. Do you see, oops, do you see it right there? It is under number 0. So exponential regression. Another nice thing about this menu is you can just press the number 0, although I always find it good to read and make sure I'm doing the right one. Different calculators might have different letters or numbers there, so make sure your expreg is 0 before you just press 0. And I'm going to press enter. And depending on your calculator, some calculators you can just press enter once. On this one, I have to press enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm miscounting. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 times. That's right. And it finds the exponential regression for me. Now, what do you mean by this? Well, you see it gives y equals a times b to the x up there as the formula. Okay? And then it tells me what a is, and then it tells me what b is. And so when I'm writing this on the paper, I actually want to write it like this. I want to write y equals 180, I'm not going to have space to write this on here, times 0.953 to the x power. Okay, now I had to truncate there because I didn't have enough space for the digits. You actually want to go out to the thousandth. So that means when you're writing out the equation, you want to go out to 0.954, because we're going to round that 3 up to a 4. And then 180 will round to 180.377, because we want to round that 6 up to the 7. So make sure you write all those digits out, whereas I can't here because there's not enough space on this calculator. But that is how you find an exponential regression. Thank you very much for watching.